If you have an in-school suspension or an in-school kind of time where kids have social isolation for like a day or a half a day at a time or multiple days, those kids should not be sitting there doing nothing. Those kids should not be sitting there with cell phones, with earbuds in, or any electronics for that matter. They should have work to do. Work should be assigned to them. The material should be there. Those kids don't get trips to their lockers. They don't go to the cafeteria to eat. Lunch is delivered. They get escorted bathroom breaks because it's social isolation. You've done something pretty severe to earn yourself that type of, consequence. I also believe that part of that day should be participating in some sort of social group. Maybe your social worker or counselor comes in and does some sort of intervention group, and that can happen right in school suspension. For older kids, I was recently in a school where I walked through the hall and I looked outside and I saw their courtyard. Very nice courtyard, but it was a mess. It wasn't a mess trash-wise. It was a mess with sticks and stuff like that needed to be cleaned up. And I said, you've got, 5, 6, 7 kids sitting in in-school suspension with their heads down sleeping while somebody's reading the newspaper, when they should be down there supervising those kids in cleaning up that courtyard and giving back to this community. Because that's how they're going to figure out that this community is where they belong, and they need to contribute to that. So that's something that can happen. You're not going to hurt anybody by doing it. You're not asking them to move boulders they can't move. You're not asking them to pick up trash that's illegal. You're asking them to contribute back to the community. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.